Alright guys, so welcome back to the show. Hope you're doing good. Don't forget to subscribe to the show. Hit the notification bell so that it'll give you the alerts when I put up a new video, okay? I just want to give you an update on my weight loss. I'm 31 pounds down. Couldn't break that 30-pound mark. It was like my second or third plateau. I finally broke it. Yay! But anyway, so from now on, from what my coach at Profile's telling me, it gets a little bit more difficult. You kind of got to fight for every pound. So that's basically where we're going. We're going into the next stage. The first amount of weight comes off really fast. Then it takes a little bit harder. So we're trying to, Tammy and I are implementing walking, going to the gym. We're trying to implement more exercise into our life. So that will help spur on weight loss too. So this is all regarding this quick little video that I'm doing is regarding my weight loss. So I got this package I'll talk about in a minute. Don't want to talk about the package yet. First thing I want to talk about are these Parmesan crisps. I love Parmesan crisps, and I'll show you. I'll bring you in really close so you can see it all. But Parm crisps are pretty good. I still can't, you gotta be careful on your fats, so you can't eat too much of these and too much salt intake and all that. But they're really a quick little snack. You can pop 1, 2, or 3 in your mouth. Crunchy, cheesy, crispy, delicious, okay? And there are different brands that make it. So read the nutritionals, okay? Find out which one's the best. The other thing my show is getting into is this monk fruit. You guys remember when I went to the Keto Bakery and they're into monk fruit, and I did some research on monk fruit. It is a natural sweetener and has no calories, and it's no sugar. And the great thing about monk fruit though is I tasted it, and it's literally like, I would say it's probably 100 times sweeter than sugar. So Splenda, if that's equal to sugar, tastes like sugar. This is 100 times sweeter than Splenda. I don't use Splenda anymore. I use monk fruit. I don't use stevia or Truvia or whatever, and I don't use Swerve. This is my new sweetener of choice. So you'll be seeing monk fruit a lot on the show until I find out anything else, some new information that I'll share with you. But in the meantime, the go-to sweetener is monk fruit on the show. All right? So let's move that off to the side. Now, I found a company, and I wrote them, and I said, would you send us some samples so we could check it out on the show? I found a company that makes chips out of chicken skin. That's right. They're crispy. I haven't opened them yet, but they use chicken skin on their chips, okay? I don't know if you're a barbecue guy and you're out there doing thighs and the skin gets all crispy and kind of falls off the chicken pretty much. Like, whoops, someone's got to eat that. And you eat that crispy chicken skin. It's got all the seasoning. It's got all the deliciousness flavor. It's really good. Well, these are made, it's from a company called Flock, Flock, okay? And what Flock did was, the most requested chicken skin chip was a Nashville Hot. Go figure. And my number one Nashville Hot restaurant here in Nashville, of course, is Hattie B's. They got 3 locations. They're family friendly, meaning they're not too hot. They're going to burn your children's mouth out. They have mild, medium, hot. They're really, really good. They got great sides at the restaurant. So they partner with Hattie B's. So you have some Hattie B's Nashville Hot chicken skins. Go figure. So when I read that, I'm like, I got to get some for the show. So I wrote them. They were kind enough to send it to the show. And I told them I wanted to try this out for you guys and let you know what I thought, all right? So let's bring you in close so we can look at them. And then we'll back you up and you can watch me try it. And I'll give you my honest opinion. Too much seasoning, not enough seasoning, salty, peppery, whatever. I have no idea. So come on in. Pop these open. See what they look like. Here's the packaging, Hattie B's, Flock. This is what they look like. Crispy chicken type chips. And I don't know anybody else is doing these. So here's a better look at some of them right there. So we'll give those a try and see if they're any good. All right, guys, if these aren't too hot and they're good and I enjoy them, this would be something I would take to the movie theater. Instead of popcorn, go with something a little bit more, better choice. They smell good. All right, let's give a little piece. Here we go. Spicy. Okay. Spicy. Okay. Little more spicy than I expected, but they're not bad. I'm not burning. My mouth's not burning. I just needed to get something to drink because, you know, it's going to make me cough a little bit with a little peppery in the background. But it tastes really good. All right. Now we've tried it for the first time. Let's go for a bigger chip. We're going to go for a bigger one. Okay, here we go. Totally better. These are really good, guys. Yeah, they're good. You're going to want something around a drink, though, because they're heating up a little bit. And on my third chip. And the Nashville hot's kind of kicking in a little bit. They did a good blend. Would I have made this any more mild? No. Would I have made this any hotter? No. I think they did a perfect blend. Even though it's making me a little choky. Just a little sip of water. They did a great job. So whoever invented these, great job. I highly recommend them. These are really, really good. So grab some. I think you can order it through the internet. I don't know if anybody else carries them, but you can get them through the internet. Company is called Flock. Hattie B's Nashville Hot Chicken Chips. And you can follow them on social media, all right? I love you guys. I had to do this quick little video just to review this food. I was so impressed. It's not a product I ever thought I'd ever see, but here it is.